Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and today I got a quick video, the ThermoPro Lightning 1-second instant read meat thermometer. You can calibrate it, so that's cool. So it's got some lasting power. This is hands down the best that I've ever had in my possession as far as an instant read temperature probe thermometer thingy. And it's huge. Ergonomics is fantastic. The rubber grip, magnetic. This is cool. Like you see that number there, and watch when I twist it over if I needed to. It'll go with me, which is great. It's got a nice long reach so that I can like go, I'm not burning my fingers, and that's great. Magnet on the back, rubberized back, all the sides. All the internal temps are listed right there on the back, which is really cool just to look at a glance. You don't have to take your phone out and go, what is poultry supposed to be? This is short, simple, and sweet. I mean, it's a temperature probe. I don't know how else to put it, but it is the best one that I've ever had in my human possession. So make sure to at least go check it out and look it over and consider it if you're looking for something. You can get them cheap. Like before this one, I used kind of a cheaper one, of course. I've always been questionable. I've always questioned it. But this one, there is no question. It is so fast. And when you're moving this probe around the meat and having such a fast response to get in there and get your spot so you can determine the inner part that you know usually is undercooked and get that instant feedback from it, that's huge. And this thing is fantastic. So you're looking at an accuracy of negative plus minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit Celsius plus minus, or excuse me, 0.5 Fahrenheit plus minus 0.3 Celsius. It could be off, give or take, which is nothing. It's got a smart feature on here. I guess when you can leave the probe out, it will shut off after a period of time and detect motion when you pick it back up, because usually it activates when you pull it out, like so. Comes right on. That'll time out like 90 seconds, I think, to conserve battery. And then it's got a motion detect kind of feature. Whenever you pick it up with it still extended out, it'll kick back on again, ready to give you a measurement. That's pretty cool too. And another cool thing is the IP65 waterproof rating, which is great because on the cheaper ones, I'm always just scrubbing the tip, you know, like that. And then now I can scrub the whole thing like that, which is great because I'm wearing gloves, heat resistant gloves, just move some meat around or something. I got crap all over my hands. I don't have to worry with crap on my hands or crap on this. I can wash the crap away, which is great. So yeah, I think I've covered everything about this, which is just a short, simple, sweet device that works. It's very reliable. It feels very reliable so far. If anything ever changes, I'll always leave a comment to that effect. But man, it's great. I don't really notice much that I could complain about. I think they've really engineered and designed this thing up and down and all around to be ergonomic, to work correctly, to be useful in all different angles, to be able to be washed off. I don't know if there's much more that you can want out of something like this that you will use all the time. Trust me, you will always reach for this thing and have a magnet on it. You can put that anywhere you want. That magnets will attract to, and it's there, you know. So yeah, lo and behold, I do recommend this, so make sure to go check it out down in the YouTube description and explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified of the next product review I got coming out. There's another one coming because, of course, I'm behind. See ya.